Yeah, I'm great. Thank you. What about you?
I'm also fine, brother. Thanks for asking me.
Yeah, it's
And
my
today I
pleasure.
want to, yes, today I want to discuss a topic, and the topic is what is the importance of education in anyone's life. So, would you
Wo-
like to answer of this
Yes, yes,
question?
yes,
Oh,
yes. Definitely, I will give you answer. So you give me very important topic. Educate as you know, and I hope you know, and we all
yes,
are aware what is the importance of education. Education is the powerful weapon. And education
yes,
is the key of success. And if you are educated, you never regret in your life. But another side, if you are unliterate, that means you face lots of problems. Okay, and you regret in your life, in your future, and you can't get your achieve, you can't anything, you get anything. Okay, and people never respect you, and you don't
yes.
know how to, respect other, and how to respect younger, and how to respect older.
Elder.
Okay, so
Yes, yes.
yeah,
I
this is
agree
my
with your
point of
point.
view.
Yes, I am agree with your point. So, according to you, education is the best weapon, and if you are educated, you will be respected everywhere, wherever you go.
Yeah,
Yes,
definitely.
you. Yes, definitely. I am agree with your point. And yes, if you are illiterate and you are uneducated, it means you will not be able to survive in this society very well. Yes,
Yeah, definitely.
yes, yes. Okay. So, what is the current situation of education in our country? So, let's talk about over this question that what is the current situation of education in our country? In
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, as
Nowadays,
you and your state is
yeah, yeah.
Odisha.
Nowadays, our country education system is not so good when I
Yes,
compare to other country like America, like British,
yes,
Japan. So they are
yes, yes.
now very well our situation. But if I talk about our city, I mean Odisha. So our government always aware for education, and they provide all the things, whatever need for a student. And they provide
Okay.
midday meal, and they provide, I mean, dress, and many types of scholarships they provide. So if I in our country I compare as Bihar and as UP, so better
UP.
than our, yeah, better than our city.
Yeah.
So
So it's
education.
not sufficient. It's not enough that only one state or one, city is good and
Yes, yes.
education. So it's not sufficient. Whole country
Yeah,
should
yeah,
be.
definitely. Yeah, all
Yes.
countries should be. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So
So what's
government is
your
not paying
situation
attention.
about your? So what's your situation? What your, I mean, education
What is the
system
situation of education in
in
my
your,
state?
yeah, in your state.
Yeah. Yeah. If I talk about my state, so here nowadays just because of coronavirus pandemic, so situation of education is very very bad, not
Yeah,
so good. Yes, and government is also not paying attention to the education system. you know Government is talking about all the things in the world, about the world, war, everything, but not paying attention to the education. So I
definitely.
think, and I expect from the government that one day or the other government will pay attention to the education system, that what's going on with
Definitely.
the students. Yeah, what is the going on in the schools are still closed when everything is open, even liquor shops are open. So is the what thing is the important, liquor shops or schools or colleges, according to you,
So,
MD Jafar?
brother, as you know, told me, liquor shops are open. So liquor, in our country, the largest revenues comes from liquor business. Okay, and
Okay.
corona is contagious disease. So corona requires social maintain distance. So
Okay.
school and colleges are gathering place. There are lots of students, I mean, lots of study together. So how
Okay.
is it possible to follow social? distance. If I
Distance.
hope yes, social distance. So I know you are teacher. So
Yes.
how to handle this? How to
Like,
handle social
okay.
distance in your class when I study, when you teach in the
If I start,
class?
yeah, it depends on the strength of the class. That in which
Yes.
class 50 students are able to sit in a one class, so I will give them. I can divide in a, in a 2 hours. Sorry, two parts. That I can give them more time. That only 20 students will sit in a one class for a one
Yeah.
time, and after that 20 student will come. So we can teach alternate. Government should pay attention on it, and government should make a schedule for the student, for the teachers, where they can get proper knowledge and they can teach also. Teachers can teach the students in a school, so government can make a schedule if government want, you know
Yes,
but
yes. It
government
is
is not
depend
paying.
only government. I can't do anything without.
Just we
Yeah,
cannot
yeah,
do anything. Yeah, even I want to tell you one thing, that earlier I heard a news in the rural area where a teacher was teaching only 4 students in his
yeah,
house, and suddenly some
yeah.
policemen came there and they arrested him, and they said that
Wow.
you are going against the government, UP
Yeah, yeah.
government. Yeah, and they just arrested him. So
So
this thing is not good.
yeah,
Yeah.
because
And if you are
his
talking
thing
about
is
liquor shops,
occupation
so
to.
I have many screenshots, MDs of her, many pics on
Yeah,
my
yeah,
phone, which I can show you that what is the social distancing in the liquor shops also. One
yeah,
person
yeah. I
is
also watch.
in another
I
person.
al-
This is the situation
yeah,
of liquor shops.
yeah, yeah. I also watch many times of on I mean YouTube and I mean news channel. There are no follow the people, not follow the any kind of social maintain distance. Yeah, I also agree with your opinion.
Yes. If I say any student that sit there, so that student will not violate the privacy. That student will follow my guidelines, which I will give. So government should, say that government should give the proper permission and give proper guidelines to the schools or coaching institutes where teachers can teach, and how to sit, how to make sit the students in the class. So teacher will follow this rule, and every student will follow that rule. But if I
Yeah,
talk about, in liquor shops, so no one is following rule. If
yeah, yeah.
anybody wants to check, just
They
go and
they all have freedom.
check. Yes.
Yeah. So
So
yeah, they all are freedoms. That's why.
yes.
But
Yeah. So
if
government.
you are teacher and if you are teacher and you advise any kind of advice you give your student, they follow definitely.
Yes.
But you
Definitely
can
they will follow. They will not,
yes, yes,
go against my rules, which I have presenting before them.
yeah, yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
But
So
you
definitely,
also
but
told
government. Yeah, government is not paying attention. So I would like to drag the attention to this thing. That's why I made this video. This is the required for every teachers, for every students.
yeah, definitely, definitely. Because
Yeah.
everything is open and why
Yes.
school and colleges not.
This are
I know the corona the pandemic is ongoing. I know, but so why the
yes.
liquor shops are open? Why? Huh?
Yeah.
People they are
Why?
not
Because
follow any kind of.
revenue. Because most revenue comes from the liquor shop. That's why open. But education is the backbone of every country.
Yes,
So we
yes.
should focus on that thing first.
Yeah, and a student are nation, our nation
Yes,
in
our
future.
nation.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
that's why we are facing these type of problems. That because we are not well educated, we cannot say that. Yeah, if this is this thing, we will have to consider that. If we are saying that no, I am better than from the other countries, so you are better. I am also an Indian, so I really support this thing. But somewhere if you are weak, so we should work over it. Yes, and
yeah,
government should
definitely.
help them.
I'm not
Yes.
going. I'm not going to against our country, but
Yeah,
I
I'm
also
not.
face
I'm
this
also
type
not
of
good.
problems. I also face these types of. So that's
The,
why
just
I'm
because of
whatever
just
I whatever I
dragging
am
the
asking
attention.
from my heart.
Yes. I really respect. I also, you know, I just want to drag the attention of government to this thing. Government is saying that 30% syllabus will be decreased from the
Syllabus.
syllabus. Yes. So this thing is also not good, because if you teach less, student will get less, so the
Yeah,
progress will less.
yeah, definitely. As you can say, if I mean, learn more is learn more. Teach more, learn more. Okay.
Yes.
If you teach
Then you
less, yeah. Okay.
and if you read less, so you have knowledge less. So
Yes, yeah, definitely.
yeah. So do not government, government shouldn't do this thing that government will means some syllabus, some chapters will
Yeah, I
be.
also against this. I also against this kind of decision. I also, because you teach more and you get lots of more knowledge, but you teach less,
Yes.
you gain less. Yeah.
Yes.
So I
So
also against this kind of opinion according regarding to our government. But
yes, yes,
what I do, I have no any
yes, yes.
substitutes to do
But
anything.
at least we can raise the voice.
Yeah,
Yes.
definitely. I can do this.
Yes.
Definitely.
Because we
Because
are
this is
educated.
in my hand. Yes,
Yes.
yes, yeah, definitely.
Okay. So thank you, MD Jafar, for joining me, and I would like to talk to you again, once again,
Yeah,
whenever I.
definitely. And I am
Yeah.
very happy I am very happy to talk to you, and really you are delivered your good points about education,
Yeah.
really. And I
Okay.
all the point I also agree with your point. Okay. And
Okay.
you speak very very well about this topic, and I am very happy, and you
Okay.
give me opportunity,
Me
so
too.
thanks for give me this
Okay.
opportunity, and I really appreciate you.
Okay.
So thanks,
Thank you.
Mansu,
Thanks
bro.
for your
Take care.
appreciation. Thanks. Thanks